Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 30th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at this storm system here moving across Texas, in the portion of Missouri, and also up toward portion of Illinois and also Indiana. This is bringing some severe weather to the area this evening. Also, we got more activity across the northern tropical Atlantic. Northern Gulf, stretching into the portion of Alabama, Mississippi. Also a little bit in the portion of Virginia and also North Carolina and also eastern West Virginia and also Kentucky. We got another line of showers and storm maybe stretching from up here from North Dakota all the way back into California. More activity in the Atlantic coastal water. Also the South America region and also the Eastern Pacific as well. You can see another little storm system here fixing and try to move on into the frame here in the northwestern portion of the corner of your screen. You can see it, which will be moving into Washington, Oregon State sometime on your Thursday. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue getting the show on the road here, folks. Alright, as you can see here, we got some thunderstorms and showers from New Brunswick to Maine to New York State to portions of western North Carolina, portions of South Carolina, down into Georgia, all the way down in Louisiana, Texas, to portions of Kansas, to Colorado, to Utah, Nevada, California, far north, as areas of North and South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin region, got some shower activity, Michigan region, got some mixed precipitation up here around Lake Huron, Lake Superior, maybe a little bit of freezing rain there as well. Mixed precipitation portion of Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, and a little bit in the mountain chain of California. Got a little bit of severe weather down here in portion of Oklahoma with some flash flooding in that vicinity. Then we got a long line of shower, severe weather possible from eastern Texas as far north as Ohio, western Pennsylvania, and western New York State. A little bit of shower activity across the northwest Bahamas and the east coast of Florida. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, here's your Friday forecast. You can see we got more thunderstorms and showers from up here in New Brunswick to Maine to North Carolina, South Carolina to Georgia to Florida to Louisiana, even from Central and South Florida to the Florida Keys, Northwest Bahamas, Texas to New Mexico to Arizona to California, Nevada, over to Oregon and Northern California. More thunderstorms and showers from Missouri to Iowa to South Dakota, Nebraska to portion of Wisconsin and also northern Michigan around Lake Huron, Lake Superior. Getting a little bit of mixed precipitation for you guys, a little bit of mixed precipitation in Colorado, also Utah, Washington, Oregon State as well. Even got some flash flooding and heavy rain possible for Texas and Oklahoma, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map. You're located across the nation. Alright, you can see we got some frost advisories up here in portions of Vermont and New York State, a little bit in portion of eastern Maine, also over here in a couple of counties in Idaho. Got some air quality alerts in a portion of Arizona, special weather statements in that region as well. Tornado watches in effect for portion of Indiana, Illinois, and also portion of Missouri. Same in portion of Arkansas, Louisiana, and then also into Texas. Got a tornado warning ongoing in portions of Illinois. Got a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings in portions of Kentucky to Indiana to portions of Illinois, also in the portions over here in areas of Missouri, also in the portion of Arkansas, and also in the Texas region as well. Flood watches, flood warnings, flood advisories in effect for a portion of North Texas and the portion of Oklahoma, and also in the portion of Missouri with some river flood warnings still continuing for portions of Illinois down to Arkansas to Louisiana and eastern Texas. Alrighty, we got small craft advisory, gale warning from up here around the Boston area to the Outer Banks of North Carolina, a little bit around the Florida Keys, southern Louisiana to the east coast of Texas, then from northern California to portion of Oregon State as well. Hawaii and Chain Island looks good. Small craft advisory, gale warning, and also freeze and spray warnings around the Alaska area. Special weather statements inland. Alright, throughout your Thursday. Give them up here in a minute. Excuse me. Alrighty. Alright, here we go. We got a general thunderstorm from up here around the Portland, Maine area. Also over toward Burlington, New York, excuse me. Also down to Columbia, South Carolina, down in New Orleans, Louisiana, Brownville, Texas, far west of Fresno and Santa Barbara, and also portion of Sacramento, California, Reno, Nevada, and far north is Bismarck, North Dakota. Marginal risk from portion of Texas all the way up to Rochester, also over toward Amarillo. Also, we got some Fort Steele to Wichita Falls, slight risk. And then from San Antonio all the way up to Buffalo, New York, a slight risk of severe weather as well. The tornado probability looks like this. From Greenville, Mississippi all the way to Louisville, Kentucky. Damaging winds look like this. 5% in the brown from Texas to Rochester. Then from Buffalo to San Antonio, 15% risk area for damaging winds. Large hail looks like this. Pretty much down here across portion of Wichita Falls, Fort Steele, Oklahoma, also northern Texas, also Waco to Austin, 5% from Waco to San Antonio to Rochester, New York, Buffalo area for large hail in your vicinity. Alright, let's move on to day number 3. Should be coming up here in a minute. Then we're going to take a look at the snowfall totals, which in fact we have a little bit in the western U.S. Alright, general thunderstorm for portion of Reddings, California to areas of Brownville, Texas, far north as Portland, Maine, over to Detroit, Michigan, to Norfolk areas of Nebraska, then from Fort Stockton all the way to Buffalo, New York, Rochester, and surrounding areas to Nashville to Little Rock. Marginal risk probability looks like this. 5% in the brown areas. Alright, here's a look at the snowfall totals. The heaviest snow over Canada, a little bit out west from portion of Colorado to Wyoming to Montana, Idaho, a little bit in Washington, Oregon State, California mountains, also Nevada and also Arizona, a little bit in New Mexico and also Utah region as well. And a little bit of activity maybe in northern New York State and also in the portion of Maine as well. Otherwise, expect no snow for the remainder of the U.S. as the warm weather continues to push north, eliminating snowfall pretty much across the remainder of the U.S. Alright, well I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Like these videos, share these videos. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care, and we'll see you next month on May 1st. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.